So what's the best thing about Nepal?
Best thing about Nepal, the people of Nepal, and the culture, the hills, the mountains, the everything about the structure of Nepal. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I would love to go there.
Yeah.
And Sandeep, we know that you have traveled around the world, like Nepal, Australia, India, and now in Canada.
Yeah.
So do you have any message for your Nepali fans around the world?
They've been so lovely, wherever we go. Not only me as a unit when Nepal travels anywhere in the world, they come in large number. They support us throughout, even if we lose or when we win. So it shows the passion they have towards this beautiful game, and it's the start of the new era in Nepal of cricket. It's just developing day by day. And it's just lovely to see how passionate people are towards this game. And, there were the times when I used to see people avoided this game in Nepal. They just don't want their kids to become a cricket. But nowadays it's just changing, I see a lot of cricket academies there. I see a lot of, cricket grounds there. And it's just developing, and that's beautiful to see.
It's very beautiful to see that too. So this is something I really wanted to ask you, as I've heard you talking a lot about it. Our fans want to know, what is it like, the sunrise in Nepal?
Oh, the sunrise in Nepal, I guess it's one of those best things that happens in Nepal. Sun actually rises everywhere in the world, but there are quite a few places where you go on the top of the mountains and then hills, and you see the sun rising behind the other hill, or it's just gives you the perfect scenario to capture for your lifetime. And I'm lucky I've witnessed some of them. There are some of the places in Pokhara. You go there in the Sarankote, and then you see the sunrise from there. I guess a lot of people from abroad, they comes to Nepal and visit Pokhara and Sarankote, and just they look at that view. I guess it's absolutely amazing. Thanks.